I've been thinking about quite a few things lately. As many of you know, I have had quite a fabulous year this year. Embarked and completed several things, hit milestones that I never thought I would have met professionally, and so things are really exciting. I went out for my walk this morning. What I thought was an appropriate coat was not, because the temperature had dropped significantly. Yet I knew that as I walked, it would become comfortable. I was also listening to one of my mentors during my walk. And interestingly enough, they also talked about how as we move from level to level, we carry ourselves with us. And so just as you are prepared for the change of seasons by adding more and more clothing to make yourself comfortable, but structurally, you are still who you are, so too must I embrace the higher levels that I will be experiencing before the end of the year and into next year. Putting thought patterns and juggling thought patterns around as I walked gave me comfort, because the analogy of my physically moving through the seasons, summer to fall, fall to winter, winter to spring, spring back to summer, means that my outer experience may change. My mentor talked about the fact that leaves fall off during the winter season, and then there's a budding during the spring season, and leaves mature only to fall off again. The leaves differ, but the tree itself is structurally the same. And utilizing that analogy for me was very comforting. The things that I have put into place structurally remains the same. I have been trying on some new feeding cycles and fasting cycles that are pushing me a little. I have embarked on a 3-3-1 cycle, which looks at fasting for an extensive period of time, for 3 days, then a substantially shorter period of time for another 3 days, and then 1 day where it is extremely short, and cycling that through weeks after weeks after weeks, and just playing with the variations. One month it may be a 3-3-1, another month it may be a 5-1-1. It all will vary, and I get to play with it, and it becomes a game. And the same applies to the new experiences that I'm going to be facing professionally, making it something of comfort. How do you prepare yourself for the upcoming possibilities that are ahead? And how does standing on your certainty of who you are comfort you and take some of the anxiety away for you? Please share.